To add Google reviews to Squarespace, start by opening your web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll see a layout with various options such as websites, selling, invoicing, content, memberships, scheduling, marketing, and analytics. To add Google reviews, you'll need to use a widget maker. Create an account with a widget maker, which is a straightforward process that requires only your email and password. Search for Google reviews and select the option that appears. Choose a template that suits your needs, and then continue with the template until you reach the publish option. Select the free option if you don't want to pay, and then copy the code. Return to your Squarespace website, click on Edit, and add a block where you want the Google reviews to appear. Click on Embed and paste the code into the embedded URL section. Edit the options as needed, and your widget will appear on your website. Save your changes before exiting. This process allows you to easily add Google reviews to your Squarespace website.